You just stand here.
Okay. Do you represent us? Okay.
Can you come
down a little?
So far so good. Just
Sir.
yes. All right. So far so good. Just give us a lowdown on what transpired today. And how did things go?
Okay, things went well. We continued the cross-examination of BBB. Today is day 2 of his cross-examination, and we'll be back here tomorrow to continue and hopefully proceed with other witnesses.
That's all.
Thank you.